The issue of Australia's ever-growing mountains of waste has been dominating the headlines lately, but now one small sector is taking matters into its own hands.
Sustainable Salons, that's right, hair salons. Sustainable Salons is an organisation aiming to recycle almost everything that's used in hairdressing, including the hair. Hashela Kumarawansa spoke to two people involved in the program.
Sustainable Salons was established 3 years ago. There was a big problem in the hairdressing industry that there was all these unique waste materials that couldn't go through a standard recycling service, such as chemical waste, aluminium foil, colour tubes. So Sustainable Salons was really created to solve this problem, to create a unique recycling solution to salons.
We joined Sustainable Salons 18 months ago. Most probably the thing that attracted my attention was the hair collection. It's always been something that we've thought about, what a waste the hair being thrown out to landfill was.
So over 400,000 kilos of hair gets cut off each year in Australia. We break that up into two forms. We've got hair clippings and then we've got ponytails. We use all the ponytails for medical wigs in the country. So who benefits from the ponytails that we collect? Children with alopecia, cancer. In the last 3 years, we've now become Australia's largest donor of hair for the medical wig market.
When I heard about hair booms, that attracted me straight away. Hair booms are stocking type apparatus that they fill with hair clippings.
So we've established a product that actually soaks up oil spills from actually the hair that's been cut and then goes onto the floor. Hair is actually an amazing absorbent that can soak up nearly 8 times its weight.
Before Sustainable Salons, we'd have to be looking at the bottle to see what grade plastic it was, whether it could be collected, and when in doubt, it would just go into landfill. We used to have 3 wheelie bins of landfill waste a week. Now we've got 3 bins a week of recycled material and half a bin of landfill per week.
Over 1 million kilos of aluminium foil is sent to landfill each year from the hair salon. Before Sustainable Salons, all this aluminium foil was just ending up in landfill. We are recycling it, and all proceeds made from recycling that aluminium then goes to OzHarvest. We've provided now over 58,000 meals to OzHarvest by selling off aluminium foil waste.
The most waste at Shibui is definitely from plastic containers. Shampoo bottles, styling products, bleach containers.
One of the organisations we work with is Plastics Forest, which actually then turns the plastic into a protective board that protects the NBN of Australia. Our goal is to make sure that nothing is ending up in landfill and everything has a second life.
Our employees were very sceptical at the start. There's a whole generation out there really have got no regard for recycling at all. When they realised what could happen with our salon waste, they were very motivated to put the time and effort in. Taking on the initiative of Sustainable Salons, it's very easy to think it's going to be too hard, but it evokes a passion in people that is contagious, and it's definitely worth the effort.